Hi there, thanks so much for joining us today. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of our most common questions asked by our customers, which is how do I know when my charcoal is ready to start cooking? Now personally, I like to cook with a natural lump charcoal. It's all natural, there's no chemicals added, and it's really simple to light, like what we've got here. Now the great thing about using a natural charcoal is that you do not need to wait until it's completely ashed over. Now as you can see, this charcoal has ashed over a little bit, but this is hot enough to be able to cook. So what we need to do is get a rake and spread it out on the base of our spit and add our meat on the top. Now if you're using a briquette, I highly suggest that you wait until it is completely ashed over. And that's because briquettes are incredibly dense and therefore they're typically harder to light. So what manufacturers do is they coat them in an accelerant, which makes them easier to light, but as a result of that, those chemicals, they let off an odor, and in my opinion, that leaches into your food, which if you've got a delicate palate like me, you can definitely taste it. So if you've used a chimney, you're probably looking at about 25 minutes to get started. If you've just used firelighters, probably about 45 minutes. Or if you've used a charcoal starter wand, so an electric device to get your charcoal started, you're going to be ready to cook in about 5 minutes. So thank you so much for joining us today. If you want to keep up to date with our latest videos and hear more great hints and tips, please remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a huge thumbs up, post a comment below, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.